Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Pulia Putih ke Sorkar Jela Rakkam Sangma Haka santarik unok pra ula Shim Bynta Haka Jingkynduh lang Jingkynduh Upper Primary School Teachers Association kabatip kum ka Special Annual Conference. Ya kani ka jingya lang la penuh hamadan kawang umulang kabalong ru Shibenta ka jingdap lai postnem ka jingyat lenti jong ka Mupsta kabla rakhi halor kapang be a leader, be the difference, be the light, be a teacher. Nalor Menteri Ketenat Pulia Putih layadon langru ke MLA Sutengah Saipung ke Kong Santa Mary Shela, Advisor Ketenat Pulia Putih Ubak Acam Shangpliang, UMDC ke Jawai North Bright Star Cermang bat kiwei-kiwei. Haka jingkran Menteri Ketenat Pulia Putih Rakkam Sangma ulaya ro Nonghikai bela ai ke Jingshakri ke balai postnem. Ula keren ru halor ke kamram Nonghikai ban sandur ya kalawei jongki kena bat ula kular ban dan ringkat hakino-kino gijing dan kam jongki. Ula ang baka sorkar kaya takhu ya shibun ki jing nadu ke jing pher ke rukam ai tulap ke jing ban penya pher ki Nonghikai sorkar. Ula ang ru ba ke jing don jing haki ba ki school kim day ki jong ka sorkar hendai ki don ki school ba ki college ki bayo ya ke jing kershan na ka sorkar. Ka sorkar ka snothu ki jing ba de halor ka ni la thau ya ka State Education Commission bat hab ban up kmi ki jing ai jing mot ka commission ban penbed bat penjam ya ki jirwet jarwat haka puli ka puthi.
There are many challenges. We have, I don't know, it can count also, right? The ad hoc, the non, the deficit, the non-government, the so-called non-government, the government, all the categories of the schools that we have. We have challenges, disparity of the salary, school run, like, it is very difficult to, like, there are many colleges. There are many colleges and schools that government support. But their asset and the land and the building doesn't belong to the government. There are many schools run by the churches and the private institutions, completely private. There are many schools being run by the churches and missionary and some agencies, but we are supporting to all these schools. The appointment of the ad hoc teachers are being appointed by the managing committee, the school owner, so to say. There is going on whether this ad hoc teacher is a government teacher or not. Somebody says any teachers who draw the salary from the government, it's amount to be a government teacher. But in the court of law, it's very difficult to debate. Whether the government, they are drawing the salary from the government. But the asset, the administration, it's not with the hands of the government. There are many challenges. Therefore, knowing about the challenges, it is difficult to point it out if we address the issue of the ad hoc teacher association, there is another teacher association called non-government teacher association. There is a deficit teacher association, government teacher association, there are many associations, right? Therefore, to understand more, government has set up for the first time to do the in-depth study, about the issues and the problems and to give us the recommendation. Government has set up the State Education Commission. They are on the process. We are waiting for the recommendations of the State Education Commission that include your problem too. I think today I won't make any commitment, any assurance, but we are waiting for the recommendation of the Education Commission. What kind of suggestion, what kind of recommendation they will be giving to the government. We will study, we will discuss, and we will decide. Being the better systematic recommendation, we have constitute this commission. Commission consists of experts of the different fields, especially the educationists of the within the state, who are well acquainted with the problems and with the issues. But however, I want to assure you that we are part of the family, and I wish, as our honorable advisor has already stated, when we see our teachers on the street, it does not sound good. It does not sound good. Yes, there is a problem. There will be a problem, but there is always a way forward. Therefore, may I would like to assure you today, whatever the possible that we can, government is trying and will try our best to address the problems of the teacher. Even if that has been done in the past, and is being doing, and will be doing in the days to come too. We must work unitedly to get this problem addressed. Sometime action speaks louder. I want to assure you today, government knows, I as a minister, I understand my responsibility, and it's my commitment to give my best to bring up the standard of our teachers, all my friends. But today, I want to request all of you again. Government understands responsibility. Government knows our own syllabus, our own curriculum. Therefore, we also request you to understand your own curriculum and your own syllabus. I'm not talking about the textbook syllabus. I'm talking about your syllabus of your responsibility. As of today, if you see the grading index of our state, we are the lowest in the country. The education scenario in the state, our state, is the lowest in the country. It is who's responsible? It's a chief minister, it's an education minister, it's a teacher, it's a parents, it's a whose fault it is? The drop rate. Meghalaya has the highest drop rate in the country. It is who's responsible? It's a parents, it's a teacher, it's a MLAs, it's a officers. The learning outcome. I mean, it is like this. Our class 6 students, is the services. We have conducted lots of survey to the various schools across the state. Our students of the class 6 students, not able to read and write properly of the books, the syllabus of the class 2 and class 3. Only about your problems. Let us also think about the problem being faced by our children, by the state. Therefore today, I'm not telling this data not to blame each one of you, but to understand the seriousness of the problem. Sometimes when we go to the restaurant, we call it tips, Moses. We call it tips. If we have get a good service from the waiter, from the hotels, some people give the tips. Inspired. Today, our service, our what we call our responsibility, shall we say, we have failed to inspire our children. Do our system fail to inspire our children? I'm not talking about your government-aided school. In the state of Meghalaya, many children don't want to go to the government LP school. There are many schools which have zero enrollment, single digit enrollment, drawing the 60,000, 70,000 salary. There are many teachers. I don't know, this is Jingkynduh Hills. I'm also from Nonghikai. This is Jingkynduh Hills. Having a rich coal deposit, limestone. There are many teachers of the government who are doing coal business. Coal, we call it coal mahajan. Maybe here also. And asking somebody to go to the school on his behalf like a proxy teacher. Maybe here in this district also. In my constituency, I belong to the coal belt area. And there are many government school teachers who never go to the schools, but they are sending somebody to teach on their behalf. This is happening. This is happening. Therefore, from next academic session, we will leave no stone unturned to get all this corrected. We would like to request all the teachers, especially from the government, if you don't want to serve the students, if you don't want to work anymore, you should better take BRS or quit the job. It is better. Don't kill your generation. Don't kill your community. And it will amount to sin, though it's not real. Therefore, it's very sad to say today. Therefore, all this happening. Therefore, today, we have constituted the State Education Commission to study all this. You have demand all things, all that. But if you look at your magazine, your souvenir, I have gone through almost every government, 2010, 2007, 2010, 2012, 2016, 2022. Your salary has also enhanced. That means government is listening to your demands too. But there is no perfect solution to anybody at any time. Therefore, sometimes let us understand, Meghalaya has a huge financial problems because we are a small state. We are a small state. But this shows government is also serious with you. Therefore today, may I like to request each one of you, let us reignite ourselves, let us reconcile ourselves, let us remind ourselves our own responsibility that to teach our children. Our responsibility is to teach, to make difference in the lives of hundreds of our children. That is the main objective of your being present there.